CEMOTO Limited is located in Jinhua, a beautiful central city with convenient transportation network in Zhejiang Province. Since founded in 2012, we have more than 10 years manufacturing and exporting experience. Until now, CEMOTO have more than 30 employees and self-owned factory area over 8,000 square meters. We have comfortable office, modern showing room, standard workshop, professional production line, testing equipment. With our mature material supply chain, responsible workers, and formal management system, you will enjoy stable quality, excellent service, competitive price, and prompt delivery. Also an excellent team with more than 15 years experience on ODM, and OEM is ready to help anytime. Currently, our product range includes electric bike, electric scooter, electric tricycle, and mobility scooter and wheelchair. The annual production capacity is 30,000 pieces electric bikes, 20,000 pieces electric scooters, and 10,000 pieces mobility. As taking the quality as our first principle, we gained a good reputation in the electric bike industry and have continuous repeating orders from more than 200 customers, over 50 countries including USA, Canada, UK, German, France, Italy, Sweden. Our factory is authenticated by SGS. Many items pass CE, ROHS, FCC certifications, and some items have exclusive patents. Superior quality, competitive price, and excellent service is always our pursuit. We never stop our steps to be better. Nothing is impossible to cooperate with the right partner. CEMOTO is ready to be the best partner for you.